If I told you there were 5 birds on a telephone wire and 3 decided to fly south, how many would you say are left? The answer? 5. See, deciding to do something is not the same as actually doing it. What we do as teachers or administrators is determined by our actions, not our intentions. So think of your school's mission statement with me for a minute. For some, it's nothing more than stated values or intentions. See, what really counts is what the school is doing to operationalize the mission statement. Let me share a brief story about the Maasai warriors in Kenya, Africa. They were the most accomplished and fabled tribes of Africa, as none was considered to have more warriors, any more fearsome or more intelligent than the mighty Maasai. Spear in hand, they were calm and courageous regardless of the danger. But the Maasai were also known for a traditional greeting that passed between Maasai warriors. Kaserian Ingera. It means, and how are the children? This traditional greeting among the Maasai acknowledged the high value that they placed on their children's well-being. Even warriors with no children of their own would always give the traditional answer, all the children are well. Meaning, of course, that there's peace and safety and that the priorities of protecting young children are in place. I wonder how it might affect our consciousness of our own students' welfare if we took to greeting each other with this question, and how are the children? I wonder if we heard that question passed along to each other, if we would begin to make a difference in how children are thought of or cared about. Not just with noble intentions, but in identifiable actions. Former Vice President Hubert Humphrey once said, "Our government should be judged first by how it treats those in the dawn of life, the kids." In a time when academics play a predominant role and schools think they need to make up for lost learning, what if we instead made a greater effort in teaching and promoting character and social and emotional skills? See, for me, the answer is simple. The social, emotional, and character development of students is a critical indicator of a positive school climate. It's the oxygen of teachers, of parents, and students to create a place where they can learn and grow. Yes, a place that puts into action a mission statement. We can't unlock students' potential unless we also address the needs they bring with them to the classroom each day. And as educators, it's our responsibility, yes, our responsibility to ensure that we are helping to provide students with a strong social and emotional foundation so that they can also excel academically. You are encouraged to engage students with instructional practices that are concerned with academic growth and the desired traits and skills in the character and SEL domain that are carefully planned, integrated, and monitored. To be very direct, teaching character and SEL skills should be a part of every daily lesson, not an add-on or an afterthought, but a part of the life of your school. So let me ask, and how are the children? May you join others in your school community as a result of your collective efforts by responding, all the children are well.